Hey guys, it's the start of our 4th of July weekend. I took the day off here on Friday so I can get some things done, and then we're gonna head to the in-laws near Minneapolis and then spend some time with an older brother in Minneapolis on Monday. All right, check with me in the adventures here. What do you got there? What are you doing? Skid steer? Are you gonna drive the skid steer? First things first. You thought that was for my kids, right? It's for me. I need SPF 50 plus. Hey. What kind of plant is this?
I don't know.
This looks like zucchini. This plant is really having a tough time getting going because of the bugs. This is a cucumber. And I think this is our pumpkin plant. What do you think of this pumpkin plant?
Don't see any growing in there.
No pumpkins yet, but that's the flowers start out. The pumpkins start out as flowers. Oh no, we got some bugs going after our flower there. And this is another, some kind of zucchini or something. Here we got potatoes. So my dad put in potatoes here. Not the best ground. The scraper was sitting on here at some point, so there's a little compaction and some clay soil mixed in from our dirt activities. But the potatoes are coming along nicely. I just got a hoe around them so the weeds don't get out of control. Who's doing more work, the video person or the hoe person?
Hoe person.
Oh, okay. I guess I can't convince him that holding a video camera is harder than hoeing. Smart kid. Oh yeah, we do need to add fuel, don't we? Still some on the dipstick. Well, we're almost out of fuel here. Last time I ran it, the light came on, and you don't want to run diesels out of fuel. Gas, you can run out of fuel and just fill it and start up and go again, but diesels are a huge pain in the butt. It's kind of a pain in the butt to fuel because we don't have power out here. We haven't put power out to the pump, and so we plugged this into the battery. Let's go. We're full of fuel. Time to go till. Yeah, this is our key for this tractor, so don't tell anyone that you could easily start it and drive away without a key. Because we broke the key off once, that's why. We broke the key off once, and so yeah, this is what you do when you can't get a new switch because this tractor's so old. And the solenoid's going bad. But hey, it still starts if you know what you're doing. Not good. Well, I forgot there was a fence post laying down there. Turns out there's a bunch of barbed wire too. Oh man, this is nasty. Nasty.
Oh, I didn't even see that.
I didn't either. Thanks, buddy. Everybody's got to have a steel pile next to a tree. Hopefully none of it got wound up inside the cutter, into the blade here. I'd say that looks pretty good. My tractor keeps overheating. Red light right here. What that means is the coolant is getting hot, and if I don't stop, and it keeps getting hotter, stays this hot, it'll cause damage to the engine. I'm gonna let that cool off in the shade a little bit. If you just let it run a while, it'll cool off on its own. It's just not under load, so then it can keep up. I'll show you a couple things. Mowing down all this grass. Now I really like the grass, but I don't like the weeds. There's all kinds of thistle, and man, that is a mess if you let that go to seed. And I'm already catching it a little late. It's starting to flower, and some of it was actually starting to seed. So here's something I did not anticipate. I remember throwing his excavator and bulldozer backhoe thing in the grass. Actually, it was very short grass at the time when I was over here doing some work on this little tree area that we planted this spring, and I forgot I left him there. So of course I didn't see him in the tall grass. Well, he doesn't have them anymore. He chased me down and told me that I ran over his toys. Oops. Russell's sitting in the shade cooling off. I got all this to finish. About 8 more rounds if I want to do it all. Well guys, thanks for watching. This is what I'm doing on my free time, or my weekend off over the 4th of July. What are you doing? Comment below. Maybe you've got a lot of hobbies, or you're doing some inside or hanging out at the lake. Hope you are. I'm gonna put this away. We're gonna get cleaned up and we're gonna head to Minneapolis and go from there. All right, God bless.